Hello and welcome back. So Netlify is the first hosting platform that we will use in this course. So visit the website www.netlify.com and register your account by clicking on sign up button. Choose the email option. Write your email address. Now set your password. Then click on sign up button. So check your email account to verify your Netlify account. So go to your email account and check that. So here is the confirmation email. Click on that, then click on verify email. So congratulations, your account is created successfully. So Netlify is secure and fast hosting platform. It will provide you the facility to upload website live on server. It is secure, free and easy to upload website live on server. So our account is created. In the next video, we will learn how to upload the HTML website and add the contact us form functionality. So when someone submits the form, you got an email. So I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one.